Look at all these things, man. Jesus Christ.
Hi, buddy. Hi. We got some treats for you.
Roll the window down.
He's telling us to roll it
Roll
down.
it. Look, he's like, oh my god. Here, baby.
Hey, Mom. What's that?
That's a deer. Again, as usual.
Oh.
What? Oh, really, dear? Come on. Oh my God!
You got this, Travis. Make him wait for it. Boom.
Excuse me, sir. I'm looking for a plot for Vincent Creamy. You know which way it is? That way?